Once again, we got to keep up with it. All right, but first, since their founding in 1940, Delta Community Credit Union has focused on delivering exceptional service, superior value, and trustworthy advice on the essential banking and lending services every household needs. And coming up on March 8th, they'll celebrate their 85th anniversary. Recently, I chatted with CEO Hank Halter about what this incredible milestone means to him and Delta Community Credit Union's members. Watch this. Hank, thanks so much for having us here today.
Our pleasure.
I don't think a lot of people are aware of the history of Delta Community Credit Union. 1940, 8 Delta airline employees, $45 in capital. What does this history mean to you?
Well, you're right. We were founded in 1940. We had $45. Today, we've grown to be Georgia's largest credit union. We have assets of $8.7 billion. But you know, Cara, over those 85 years, we've really stayed true to our mission, which is offering competitive products, personalized service, and a strong focus on the community. It's really been an honor to carry on the legacy of Delta Community.
And we're in one of your beautiful branches today, but how many are there in the Atlanta area?
Well, today we have 29 full-service branches across Metro Atlanta, but we're soon to add 2 more. Our first branch will be our 4th in Henry County, and that'll be in the city of Locust Grove. And then we're excited, we're about to open our first branch in Rockdale County in the city of Conyers. But you know, our strategic expansion is important because it gives our more than 500,000 members just greater access to bank with us the way they want to, whether it's in one of our full-service branches across Metro Atlanta or banking remotely using our award-winning online and mobile banking tools.
Well, and community is such an important part of Delta Community Credit Union, and we're going to get to that in just a second. But first, I want to ask you, for people who don't know, what is the difference between a credit union and a bank?
Well, it starts with our mission. Unlike a bank, which is owned by third-party investors whose sole focus is shareowner profits, Delta Community Credit Union is not for profit. We're owned by our members. All the profit we generate, we give it back to our members. We give it to them in higher dividends on their deposits, lower rates on loans, and generally little or no fees. We exist solely for the benefit of our members.
Oh, excellent. Hank, I want to ask you, we're really excited at 11Alive about our partnership, the Money Moves partnership. Financial education is so important for y'all here. Speak on that a little bit.
You know, I think education is power. And the more education that an individual has exposure to, particularly in finance, it helps set them up for better financial decisions across their life. And that's really why we're so excited about partnerships like Money Moves with 11Alive, because it gives us broader access to share topics like budgeting, saving, investing, even borrowing. And we know that when an individual has this information, they're going to be better positioned to have long-term financial success.
And creating that generational wealth and becoming better citizens and better parts of our community as a whole, which is what y'all strive to do so well here. And what does it mean to become a member at Delta Community Credit Union?
Well, when you become a member, you become an owner of the credit union. And Cara, virtually anyone watching today's program is eligible to join Delta Community. You simply have to live or work in one of the Metro Atlanta counties that we serve. And as a member, you have access to competitive products, superior service, honest value, trusted advice, and you're really partnering with a team of professionals that care about your financial well-being.
Oh, excellent. And when a member walks in these doors, what kind of services can they expect?
We are everything your bank should be. We have free checking, savings, money markets, CDs, retirement products like IRAs, loan products, Visa credit cards, auto loans, home equity loans, mortgages, even commercial loans. We really do have a wide variety of products and services to meet virtually every need a consumer has.
All right, community, it's in the name. It's a big part of your mission. Speak to why that's so important to you.
We believe it's so important to give back to the community. That's why we put it in our name, Delta Community Credit Union. And we do that in many ways. Financial literacy, for example, charitable donations, initiatives like scholarship programs, philanthropic grants. We partner with schools and charitable organizations that share the mission of improving the well-being of young people and families. When we invest in communities and we give back to communities, we're making those communities stronger, and that's where our members live and work.
There's so much good going on here. You can feel it in the walls. If anyone is interested about learning more and how they can become a member, what's the best way to get in touch?
Simple. Go to deltacommunitycu.com or stop by one of our soon-to-be 31 branches in Metro Atlanta. We'll be glad to help you.
All right. Congratulations, Hank, on all the great work you do here.
Thank you very much.
Oh, happy happy 85th anniversary to Hank, his team, and all the members. Remember, you can go to deltacommunitycu.com for information about membership or anything else you might need. And thank you to Delta Community Credit Union for sponsoring that segment. All right, coming up, I'm so excited. Brandy Fowler is